Hi everybody. How's everybody doing? I'm doing good. Excited because today we are not talking about trees anymore. We finished with trees and I'm sure we learned a lot about trees. But we're gonna start a new study and this study is about recycling, reuse, and reduce. Those are big words. But I promise you we're gonna learn a little bit about it. What we can do is learn about trash. You know trash. When we don't using something, we throw it away. We don't throw it on the floor. We don't throw it on the ground outside. We put it in the trash can. Why? Because we don't want to hurt our land. We don't want to hurt the place where we live. We don't want to have our house dirty. So that's why we put our trash in the house. It goes in the trash can. We don't want to make our school dirty, so when we finish with something, we put it in the trash can. When we're playing outside and we're drinking a juice or something, we put the trash in the trash can because we don't want to have the place where we live dirty and nasty. We don't want to hurt that, right? Well, we're going to learn this time about 3 big words. This is going to be like in each week, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. And I want to tell you about that. Reduce is one of the words, and that means that we want to make not too much of it, just a little bit. So when we have trash, we can do different things with it so we don't have a lot of trash. Another thing that we do is reuse. Like if I have a bottle and I finish with it, maybe I can use it for something else. And recycle means that it's a big place that take our trash and they make something else with those materials. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to turn my camera around and I'm going to show you a few things that we can recycle. That means that we can put not in the trash can, but in another container. So we can take it somewhere and they can do different things with it. Okay, so that's the big word, recycle. Recycle. There's some things that we can take, not in the trash can, but in another container, and people can make things out of those. I'm going to show you some of those things. I'm going to turn my camera around, okay? All right. In here, we have paper. Any kind of paper, like magazine paper, things that come in the mail that we don't use, like the wrapper where the cookies come and all that kind of stuff is made out of paper. We can recycle that. So we can save a lot of reduce, not having a lot of trash by put the paper in a special container so they can recycle it. Another thing that they can recycle is plastic, like the juice bottle, the water bottle, the big soda bottle, the milk bottle. This is made out of plastic and we can take it to the special container, not in the regular trash, so they can recycle it and make something else with these things. Another thing that we can recycle are cans. You see? Like where the beans come, where the soda comes. Those are a few of the things that I found in my house that are made of can or metal, and we can recycle them. And another thing that we can recycle is glass. Glass is this kind of bottles that if you drop them, they will break. So if you ever happen to you that you have a bottle and it break, stay away from it because it can cut you if you touch it. But these things that are made out of glass, we can also recycle them. So by putting this in a special container, all these little things, the glass, the cans, the plastic, and the paper, we can reduce. That may make less trash. So that way we can have more stuff to put in different containers and we can keep up with keeping our earth, our school, our house outside clean. So those are the things that we're going to learn in this new study, okay? So I want you to start thinking about it. Things that you can recycle in your house. Ask your mommy, Mommy, can I recycle this? Can I recycle that? When you finish with a juice or when you finish with some cookies, ask mommy if she can help you to deciding if that could be recycled or not. Okay? So remember, reuse means that we can use it again. Reduce means that have less. Okay? And recycle these materials that we can that somebody can make them in something else. Okay? So I love you guys. I miss you. And I see you tomorrow on our Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock. Okay? Bye.